So today is August 14th, which means it's my birthday, and one of my presents was AirPods, which I've been wanting for so long. I've been using these fake AirPods. I don't know how much these were. I've had them for almost 2 years. They still work somehow. I mean, the lid's taped on, but that's only the lid. It doesn't affect how they work, does it? So yeah, these have done well, and a lot of people get fake AirPods and say, oh, sound terrible. These have sounded okay to me, so I can't imagine how good these are gonna sound. So this was from my dad, stepmum and little brother and sister, so if any of them are watching, thank you so much. So let's get into it. I don't have a knife or anything, so I'm gonna use scissors. I hope it doesn't ruin the box. Just designed by Apple in California. Open this up. Oh, there's the AirPods. I'm so excited. And then in here, we'll do what all the unboxers do. Have a look in here. AirPods. And it's got like the little flip up guide, telling you how to connect it to your phone. Yeah, and it's just the safety booklet, some more safety stuff. Now we're going to do what all the famous unboxers do and leave the bit that everyone cares about to the side. Now a lot of people don't know, like they find out a year later that there is a charger under here. Like why would you not know that? But I've got loads of these, so I don't need this. I know it's there. I'll leave it in there till I need it. Now the main product itself. Whoa. Whoa. Let's connect them. So I think I just need to open them and they should come up on the phone. There we go. Connect. Announce calls. Okay. Whoa. And they just connect like that. What happens if I open them next to my iPad? Does it just come up saying to connect to this? Hey, there we go. This is the main problem I have with these, is switching devices with them. So I'm gonna record my first using them. So excuse the bad quality because I'm on my iPad recording this, but before I try the AirPods for the first time, I'm going to try these ones again. And look at, first thing first, look at the size difference. Look at the difference. And then obviously this is a way nicer opening thing than these, because like this is all magnet or whatever. Like, oh, I love this so much. I haven't even done it yet. These ones, they come up as two separate things. Like, so one of them connects to your phone, and then like, say I connect this one first, it connects to my phone. Then you turn on this one, and this one connects to this one. Or you can do it the other way around, or you can just have one in. So, first of all, is the experience. Take them out, then you have to turn it on, and then it will flash. Right, so you can turn on this one, and then this one connects to this one. And they're connected now. So I'm gonna play it at I'm gonna play them both at the same volume. I'm gonna play them on half volume. See, this sounds good to me. Like, it's a bit too loud, so I'm gonna turn it down a bit. But yeah, that's like this. They don't sound bad. So now what I'm going to do, and then you have to turn it off. You hold down the button to do that, but holding down the button also changes the song. So you have to hold them for longer, so you hold it down, the song changes, and then they turn off. Now you saw the experience with these. Now what is it with these? Open them. Oh, that fits so much better. Oh my god. These ones are a lot bigger. Oh, that sounds better. Way better. And no, not these are way better. I don't look like a complete idiot, like. Plus you don't have to faff around and turn them off. I take this out, put it in the case, and it will just play out of this one. This one, these ones, I've got to turn them both off. Right, so I'll put this in. Right, let's get, yeah. Probably should have done this when I had my actual camera out. But look at the difference. Oh, it's so funny. What I believe happens is, if I'm playing music, and then it stops. It stops when you take it out. And now it's gone back to this. So you see, look, the song is playing. And it disconnects. I put it back in. It connects. It starts playing. And then the touch controls. Oh, that's cool. I don't know how you, wait. So you put these ones in the case, they just start charging. These ones, they don't. So you know how you hold down the button on the back to connect it to stuff that isn't Apple? Obviously, these connect to everything straight away. Well, not really. Hold down the button on there and they're just normal Bluetooth headphones, so there's none of that Apple stuff. The button on the back just makes the case start charging them, and as you can see, the plastic is really thin, so the light shines through. But all this stuff I've never really cared about. But these are so much nicer. And I can tell you now, I'm definitely going to be buying a case for these. Like, you put it in, because my stepbrother has had these exact same well, not the ones I've got now, obviously. He's had this exact same generation of AirPods for 2 years, and he doesn't have a case on it. And see how it's all like shiny right now? His isn't shiny. It's not that bad, it's only like scratches on the back. But like, it's like his ended up being like a matte finish. I want to keep these in the best condition that I can. So I'm going to be buying, it's only going to be like a cheap, £4 case off of eBay, but it's better than nothing. Because I don't like to ruin stuff, especially when it's new. Like my phone, I've had it in a case and screen protector since I've had it, and I can sell it for like 140 quid because it's pristine condition. So, I mean, I'm never going to sell these because by the time I stop using them, no one will want them anymore. Like, but then again, I mean, if these can last 2 years, these are going to last ages. And one thing is, lightning, and I got the cable in the box, but it doesn't really matter, and micro USB. I can ditch micro USB now. These, well, there's other stuff that use micro USB, I mean like Bluetooth speakers and that, but this is the only daily thing I use that has micro USB in them, which means I don't need to keep a cable around anymore. I can just charge these with my phone cable. Yeah. This video is probably going to be too long. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.